Good morning, my dear students. Yes, last class we have discussed very important concept of the logarithmic function. Already we have discussed a lot of examples. On the basis, we are again consider few examples. Let us discuss here most important example. Find the derivative of the given function but f of x is there. Look at this function. It is in the form of product. So try to remember which function it exists. So I hope one formula log p plus log q plus log r plus whatever you can take log w shall I take in the form of, right? Shortcut you can put express log of p q r w, right? In the especially we are going to give this one, then we are going to express. Here they are given in this form. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನೀವು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಲಾಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಲಾಗ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಲಾಗ್ y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, f dash of x ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ log f of x ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಕ್ಕೆ just I can take log y. So log of what is the value? 1 plus x, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 8. Apply the log, right? So in this formation is there. So we are going to convert like that. So what is the value? So shall I write log y keep constant, log 1 plus x, right? First statement plus log 1 plus x square, second statement, third one. So log of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power, sorry, x to the power 8, right? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Got it? So ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, simple examples, 3 marks, 100% able to solve the example, right? So now we are going to do that. What is the expression? Differentiation with respect to x. So how to define? Shall I write 1 by y dy by dx, right? This function means f dash of x, right? Or otherwise you can take here. So log of what is the value? F of x, agree? Y replace, right? So this means what? 1 by f of x, right? F dash of x, clear? One log function. What is the differentiation of log? 1 by f of x. Log x means 1 by x, and that function is there. Applying for the chain rule. Clear? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಡ ಮಂದಿ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಿ, ಲಾಗ್ p ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಗ್ y ಇತ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗ್ x ಇದ್ರೆ 1 by x. ಅದೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ y ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? 1 by y dy by dx. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. 2 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. f of x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, y ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ x ಇಲ್ಲ, f of x ಇದೆ, right? With y ಇದೆ, then only I can write in the form. So next one, what is the value? 1 by 1 plus x. Differentiation of this term 0 plus 1. So keep observe here, differentiation of dx ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ, d1 by dx plus dx by dx. Got it? 0 plus 1, it means 1, right? I'll expansion ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು. So next, what is the value? Anybody want to say that? 1 divided by 1 plus x square, then 0 plus 2x. 0 plus 2x. Shall I write directly? Why I can take 0 plus 2x? Here 0, differentiation of any constant term. Differentiation of constant. What is the value? Got it? So differentiation of x square 2x. Again one standard formula, txn by dx n x to the power n minus 1. Each formula I can use in the it means right side when I can go to solve the equation. Clear this part? Right. Plus. So shall I take 1 plus x to the power 4? What is the value? Shall I write? Clear? So applying chain rule, each steps are clearly. So then 1 divided by 1 plus x to the power 8. Shall I write? 8 x to the power. Right? So here f of x is there. Shall I take that side? F dash of x is equal to f of x bracket. Right? So 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square. 4x cube divided by 1 plus x to the power 4. Next, shall I write 8x to the power 7, 1 plus x to the power 8. What we do that next one? Anybody want to say that? So keep observe. What is the f of x? What is the f of x? Still cannot find out because we are asking question f dash of 1. So before f dash of 1, you must and should solve this one. So what is the values? Right? Shall I multiply each terms? What are the remaining? Can you directly apply here? Shall I apply directly here? So f dash of x is equal to, this means, shall I write 1 plus x square, 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus x to the power 8. So 1 plus x, 1 plus x get cancelled. Right? Directly apply this step. This is one the direct apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Understood? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Clear? So ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ f of x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಈಚ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus x 1 plus x get cancel. ಏನು ಉಳಿದು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 1 plus x square 1 plus x to the power 4 1 plus x to the power 8. Right? So next step is finish first step. Second step 1 plus x correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus x square ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus x get cancel. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು? 2x. ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. 1 plus x 1 plus x square get cancel. So ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? 1 plus x 1 plus x to the power 4 1 plus x to the power 8. Second term clear ಆಯ್ತಾ? Right? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? 1 plus x square. ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು? 1 plus x square get cancel. Right? So next value, third one 4x cube. ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? 1 plus x to the power 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 plus x to the power 4. ಏನು ಉಳಿದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 1 plus x square. Yes, 1 plus x to the power 8. Agree na? Third, last terms 8x 8 itala 8x to the power 7. 1 plus ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ get cancel ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? 3 terms 1 plus x 1 plus x to the power square 1 plus x to the power 4. Got it? So simplify ಮಾಡಿದ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ f dash of 1 x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1. So shall I write 1 plus 1 square? So 1 plus 1 to the power 4, 1 plus 1 to the power 8. Finish up? So plus 2 of 1. So next 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 to the power 4 1 plus 1 to the power 8. Each values I can substitute x. Right? So plus 4 x to the power cube 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 square 1 plus 1 to the power 8 plus 8 to the power x to the power 7 1 1 1 plus 1 square 1 plus So 1 to the power 4. Clear? So shall I write the equation number? So here what is the value? 2. Right? 2. It means 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2. 8 ಆಯ್ತು. So let it done. Here 2, here 2, here 2. 8 into 2, 16. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 plus 16, 24. Correct? So in next one, 4. Here 8, here look at 2. It means 8 3s are 32. So first you can write simple. What is the value first one? 8. First one 8 plus second one 16. Right? 32. Thank you. Next. So this is f dash of 1. Plus 64. 2. Here. Yes, 8 8s are 64. Add it. F dash of 1 is equal to. So here 6. What is the value? 12. 12 plus 8. 20 now. So here 6, 9, 10. What it? This is the required equation. Clear? So any changes are there? Check it. Each rough things are very important. Please clearly observe. So we finish this one. This is the rough work and got it answer. So I will go to the next class, another different formation. Thank you so much. I will continue the next. Understood? Check it each steps. Only I can express here directly. Otherwise, as usually I can